Hello everyone, Drum Tech Drummer and online educator Kenny Sharretts coming to you with this year's tuning of the Octobans for the wall of drums. Now last year I had the configuration set up to where I had like 4 drums of certain lengths and 4 drums of certain lengths. So I had the lengths of 1, 3, 5, and 7, and over here I had the lengths of 2, 4, 6, and 8. Well, this year I went all the way across the board from biggest to smallest and did a different scale because I wanted something fresh for it. Now a lot of the stuff that we do in the middle of the show with the wall of drums is in the key of D. So I wanted to make sure that this was relative to D. However, tuning the whole thing to D, they really didn't sound right. However, if I started with D here, it sounded pretty good. The only key was tuning this to an F instead of an F sharp in the D major scale, making it kind of a D minor scale, you know what I mean? However, if you come down here to where the B starts, we got a B minor scale. So the whole set is like a B minor scale, but over here we have the beginning of a B minor scale. Over here we have an F major scale because this is dropped from the F sharp to the F. So as a group, they're a beautiful melodic set, but also individually. Come on over here. They're 2 unique phrases that also work beautifully well together, giving each drummer their own voice within the framework of the performance, but also a voice that works together. And since so many people asked last time, I'm going to go ahead and say this time. Everyone said, what do I tune these big 3 drums to? Hey man, NBC, ladies and gentlemen. And that way they just kind of sit in the mix and speak on their own voices and allow these big drums to carry whatever they want during the show, regardless of the key we in, regardless of what was going on in the middle of this wall of drums performance, y'all. Thank you for checking this video out. Stick around, check out more videos on YouTube. Kenny Sharretts. And if you want more step-by-step drum tuning lessons that help you get the drum sound you want every time you tune, please go to kennysharretts.com and stream those lessons, as streaming those lessons helps give you a wicked set of tuning skills and helps to support this YouTube channel. Solid, y'all.